Hi, my name is Sir RJ and today we are going to talk about logical operators. So these are two or more relational operations combined, and we use three logical operators. We have the AND operator, we have the OR operator, and we have the NOT operator. I have here an English statement. So the statement says, I am a boy and I am a girl. So let me highlight those two statements. And it is connected by the word and. So this word and is actually our logical operator. Now I want you to pause this video for a moment. I want you to think about the statement and tell me, is it true or false? So for me, at least, the statement or the first statement is true, and the second statement is false. Combining true and false would always yield the result false. How did that happen? So in a few moments, I'll show you the truth table for the logical AND. So in an AND operation, it consists of three parts. You have two statements and your logical operator. You will see here that for each statement, there are truth values, and what you have here is the result. What we did a while back is we had one true and one false. So if we are going to look in a table, this is the first part, the true part. The second part, the false part, is this one. It would yield to a false. Now, if there is a true statement and another true statement, the result of that would be true. If the first statement is false and the second statement is true, it is still a false. Now, if both statements are false, the result would be false. So let us try answering some examples. So let us say you have a given of A is 5, B is 2, C is 10, and D is 15. We are going to evaluate that using AND. By the way, the symbol of AND is a double ampersand. Okay? So let's try. B has a value of 2 and C has a value of 5. So is 2 less than 5? I believe that is true. Now A is 5 and B is 2. So is 5 greater than 2? It's also true. Now let's look at the table. True, this one, and true. The answer should be true. Next example, we have A times 2 is equal to C and C greater than or equal to D. Now let's try to evaluate first the inner parentheses. A times 2, so 5 times 2 is 10. Is 10 equal to C, which is also 10? So this one is true. C is 10. Is it greater than or equal to 15? So since it has an equal operation, so this one is true. True and true would yield to true. So the last part we have D minus C, D 15 minus C 10, so we have 5 here, less than 5, so this one would become a false. However, we have a little bit of a special character here. It is called the not operation. Later on, I will show you what not means, but simply it inverts the truth value of a statement. So this false will become true using the not operation. Okay, so the other one is b less than 5. So 2 less than 5, that is true. If there is no exclamation point here, false and true, this one is the false one, and we have the true one, it will yield to false. Okay? How about the OR operator? The OR operator states that for every compound statement, if there is a true, the answer should be true. Let me just remove this. So if there is at least one statement which is true, the whole statement must be true. It is denoted by the symbol 2 vertical lines. So let's try answering some examples. We have A is 3, B is 4, C is 7, D is 6. So first, is A less than D? So is 3 less than 6? So this one is true. Is 3 less than 4? Also a true. So true and true, it should be true. The second one, A plus B. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Is 7 equal to 7? So it is also true. The next one, C minus A. So 7 minus 3, it is 4. Is 4 greater than or equal to 6? So this one is a false, because 4 is not greater than 6. But we are using the OR operator, so true and false, or true or false, will give the result true. So the last part is, let me remove again this not operation. Okay. D minus B, 6 minus 4, that is 2, is 2 less than 5. That is true. Oh, sorry. We got the wrong operation. It should not be and. It should be OR. It should be OR. There we go. So let's evaluate first this one. Is C 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So is B less than 4? So this is a false. But still, true or false will yield to true. Okay, Lastly, the not operation, it only consists of one statement. So like I've said, it flips the truth value of a statement. So let's have an example. You have 9 and you have 3, A and B. So the question is A less than B? Is 9 less than 3? So this one is a false. But there is the operation not. So we flip false, it will now become true. Okay? Oh, this one is a bit messed up. Let me give another one. There we go. Oh wait. Okay. So the second example, we have not A is equal to B and not A greater than B. So A is 9, B is 3. Of course, this is a false. This one is a true. Since we have a not operation, we are going to flip this one. So from false, it will become a true. This one, from true, it will become a false. So true or false will yield to true. I know it's a bit confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, it will become easier. I hope you learned something from me today. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.